Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most advanced cleaning robots on the market, the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus EVO. If you're tired of daily vacuuming or have pets that shed, this device could be a game changer for you. Make sure to stick around because we're going to cover all the key features, why it's different from other vacuums, and whether it's worth your money. Let's jump right in. So, when you first unbox the Roomba i3 Plus EVO, you'll notice how sleek and modern it looks. The design is minimalist, which is great for blending into any home decor. But what really sets it apart is that it's not just a vacuum. It's a smart vacuum with self-emptying capabilities. Yes, you heard that right. This machine can hold up to 60 days worth of dirt and debris. Imagine not having to think about vacuuming for 2 whole months. Let's talk about the smart features that make this vacuum stand out. First up, smart mapping. This Roomba learns the layout of your home and can clean specific rooms on demand. Whether you want to clean just your living room or the entire house, you can do it with a tap on your phone or even with your voice, thanks to Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility. So, just say, "Alexa, clean the kitchen," and it's done. Plus, with its advanced dirt detect technology, it focuses extra attention on those high-traffic areas where dirt tends to build up. And if you have pets like me, you'll appreciate the powerlifting suction, which is 10x stronger than the Roomba 600 series. It's perfect for getting rid of all that pet hair and allergens. Now, how does it perform? In one word, impressive. Whether it's carpets or hardwood floors, the i3 Plus EVO navigates smoothly. It creates these neat rows, which means it covers every inch of your floor without missing spots. Another thing I love is the cliff detect sensors. It never falls off stairs or gets stuck under furniture. You can trust it to work around your home without constant supervision. And here's something I didn't expect. It adjusts based on your habits. If you've got pets shedding more in summer, it'll even suggest extra cleaning schedules. How cool is that? The best feature for me is the self-emptying base. After each cleaning session, the Roomba returns to its base and empties itself. This isn't just a gimmick. It's a massive time saver. You don't have to think about emptying it for up to 60 days. For someone with a busy schedule, or if you just hate chores, this is a lifesaver. So, is the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus EVO worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a hands-off cleaning solution with smart technology, powerful suction, and an efficient self-emptying system, this is your best bet. It's perfect for anyone who wants more free time and less hassle with daily chores. Yes, it's an investment, but it's one that pays off every day with cleaner floors and less stress. Thanks for sticking around, everyone. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. And if you've tried the Roomba i3 Plus EVO or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy cleaning!
Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.